Namaste everyone. Congratulations, you have completed your Reiki Level 1 course. I know you have become a very good healer and thank you for trusting me. This video is for those who want to continue ahead, who wants to learn the Reiki Level 2 and Reiki Level 3, who wants to become a master healer. If you are someone who do not want to continue right now, then this video is not for you right now. If any point of time you feel that yes, you want to learn more, you want to become a master healer, then come back and watch this video again. So in this video, I will be discussing about the Reiki Level 2 and Level 3 course, what all things are there and what all things you will be able to learn and how you can start your own healing career in this field, and you can start generating your passive income through the healing service, and you may start earning monthly 10k to 50k. Isn't it amazing? So let us have a look on the course detail. So as I told you before, we are going to learn Reiki Level 2 and Level 3 together, and this is the Master Healer course. After this course, you will be learning almost everything which we need to know as a healer. Okay, so here this course is divided in two parts, right? So first 3 weeks you will be learning the Reiki Level 2, and then next 5 weeks you will be learning the Reiki Level 3. In this course there are little more advanced meditation techniques, advanced practices are there. So you have to spend almost 1 or 1.5 hours each day. But that's not a big problem because you do not have to spend 1.5 hours altogether at a time. So you can split your works and then you can do it anytime you feel comfortable. Some of the works you can do in the morning, some can be done in the afternoon, some can be done at night. So do not worry, if you split your work, you will be able to do it. You will be observing that you are becoming much more powerful, your healing power is evolving more, and you are now more energetic. And the best part is, sitting at your place, you can heal anyone who is sitting at any corner of this world. Anyone. Even you can send healing to any situation. I personally send healing to those areas where I get to know some natural disaster happened, like earthquake or flood or any other issues. Suppose we get some weather telecast that this area is going to be affected due to the low pressure is created in that region and it can be devastating and all. And after I send the healing, I felt the impact is little less. The intensity of the storm has gone down. And it not only happened with me, many of my students also felt the same. So yes, definitely we can send healing to any situations as well. So let us see what all we are going to learn. So in the Level 2 course, so you will be learning 2 more symbols. So first is emotional and balance symbol, and then the next one is distance healing symbol. This is very powerful and very important. The next is, you are going to learn instant manifestation technique. It works like magic. Next is power of subconscious mind, and we will be knowing how to use that in our healing technique. Okay, and you will get to know what is the scientific reason behind all these mantra, yantra, tantra. Why do we use them? Okay, next is karmic clearance. You will be learning one symbol related to karmic clearance, and you will be able to use that symbol to negate any karmic blockages of your life, or maybe for your ancestors also you will be able to do this. Okay, next we will be doing the chakra healing with Bija Mantra. Here this is a very advanced technique and this is a very powerful technique. And next one is healing past or future event or any situation. And the last one is thought implantation, a very, very important technique. Sometimes we fail to communicate with someone, we fail to make them understand about certain things. Suppose someone is hurting you or someone is interacting with you in a certain way which is hurting which you do not like. Okay, or sometimes you want to convey some message to somebody but they are not listening to you. So in that case, you can apply this technique, thought implantation technique, and it works like wonder. But obviously it works for the good of all. In level 3, you will be learning the master symbol. It's a very powerful symbol. You will be learning goal manifestation. Although there is one goal manifestation meditation in the meditation section, but this one is little advanced level, and it is more powerful. Okay, and you will be learning about Reiki magic box, how you can manifest some short-term goal, how you can give them energy every day. I'll teach you that. The next thing is psychic surgery. This is also a very high technique in healing, particularly emotional healing or any type of pain or any internal body problem. We can use this technique. Then psychic attack removal. This one is for like if you feel someone is going through a lot of negativity, some negative energy is troubling that person, then you can use this technique. Then comes the lost and found healing. Suppose some person or some object is lost. Now you want to find that object. You want to know if that object is, or like it is actually totally lost or it is there somewhere. The next comes cord cutting and connection. And in level 3, you will be learning the science of crystal healing, why crystals are used in healing and what is the science behind it. And then we will be learning the crystal grid box, how to charge the crystals, how to put your wishes, and how we can heal almost like 100 people together in a crystal grid box. And then we will be learning Sati grid for relationship healing. And after level 3, there will be some assignment which you need to do to get your certificate. Okay, it's a very simple assignment. During your practice only, you will be able to complete it, and then you will be receiving this certificate. And after the certificate, you will be a certified Reiki practitioner. You will be able to heal anyone. You do not have to open a clinic. From your home only, you can do it. You just need intention to heal someone. That's it. You do not need too many things to start your Reiki healing career. And if you are working already, you do not want to start as a healer, definitely you can use these powerful techniques for your friends and family, right? Your near and dear ones. But if you want to think that yes, after doing your job, you get some time or you can do it on the weekend basis, then you can start doing this and you will be earning some passive income, right? Isn't it amazing? And those who really want it to take seriously and start their healing business, definitely you can do. You may earn from 10,000 a month to 50,000 a month or more. I'll help you, I'll guide you with that. So here is the special offer for you for the level 2 and level 3 together. Along with that, we will be learning some advanced meditation technique. Don't worry, these are all guided meditation. So it will help you to improve your psychic powers and make you a great healer. So these meditations are also important. You can use them, and this advanced meditation is completely free. So if you want to go with this offer, there is a special offer for you. So you need to contact me, you need to call me, and we will discuss about this, and then you can get the master healer attunement done. Okay, we have to fix the timing, we have to just discuss about it, and then we will go ahead. And if you think that you want to learn the Reiki level 2 first and then level 3, that also you can do. But the special offer won't be there with you, though you will still avail the advanced meditation course, but the fees for Reiki level 2 and level 3 will be different. So take your time, decide, and please call me. Let us discuss. I will guide you, and then you can start your new journey. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.